Tripadvisor's done it again. They've come out with the top beaches in the world, and guess what? There's one here in Phuket. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Mr.
Hello, I'm Jay. Lovely to see you, and I've got notes.
You did some research.
No, I just printed off the beaches that we're about to talk about.
Okay, so it sounds like you know what's going on. So
No, I don't.
If you're watching this video, we're covering Tripadvisor's top beaches in the world.
So like my new sunglasses, new ones.
Really?
Yes,
How much did you pay for them?
not a lot. Knockoffs from China.
They look quite good.
Thank you.
Anyway, so the number one beach is Maya Bay.
No, it's not.
Oh, really?
Do you know how many number one beaches there's been in the last 2 years?
I feel like we've done this video about 10 times.
We have done this video a lot, but yeah,
But
Tripadvisor.
we follow different people every time.
I've got notes.
This time we're doing Tripadvisor.
Yeah, well, this is Tripadvisor.
Did we get an award again?
No, when is the best of the best of the best of the best 2025? Is that coming out? Are we up there yet?
No, it hasn't come out yet.
All right, we'll be up there, sure we.
I'm sure they'll email
Yeah,
us.
we're fun. Anyway,
Missed you.
Thailand's natural beauty shines on the global stage. Banana Beach in Phuket ranks second in the best beach in the world for 2025 list.
Which banana beach?
Well, should I read this? Okay, on February 18th, Tripadvisor announced review its annual, not anal, he said, ranking the best beaches in the world for 2025.
You don't have to read it. You could just put it on the screen.
Oh, I could do anyway. Look, I printed that off. Yeah, so Tripadvisor just launched their top 10 beaches. Do you want to know what they are, Sean?
No.
Okay. Do you want to know? Do you want to reckon you can name any of them?
I want to know what is the best one in all of Thailand.
Well, apparently, Sean, it says here are the top 10 beaches of the world 2025, and Banana Beach in Phuket, Thailand is another second best beach in the world.
Oh, we're just there.
Well, when you looked at some of the websites, what beach did you see? Because there's a few banana beaches all over Phuket.
Some people were saying it's Banana Beach in Layan, Laguna, Bangtao, whatever that's called.
Well, there's Banana Beach up here on the west coast, which
Somewhere.
is just past Trisara. Hello, Trisara. There's a banana beach there.
I don't like a hotel.
But what did you say then?
I don't know, I didn't hear it.
I love Trisara.
Okay.
And there's a banana beach down here, isn't there, in Patong area?
Yeah, and there's another one.
Banana Beach on Coral Island.
Which one did they say?
Well, they said Banana Beach, Phuket, Thailand.
But the photo is...
Well, I didn't print the photo off
The
because
photo is here. Okay, and?
that's not Banana Beach on Coral Island. That's Banana Beach in Phuket somewhere.
I'm really confused.
I'm very confused. So which Banana Beach is it?
This one.
Are you sure?
Sure, guarantee it.
How do you know that?
Because I did the research and you didn't.
No, you're very, very. I thought I did the research. Anyway, I don't know why I've thrown that away because that tells me what the number one beach was. Some beach in Crete, I think.
Back
Anyway.
to the beach that you just recently went to.
Yes, I went to Coral Island recently with my parents, and I went. It's the most underrated snorkeling spot, but we're not here to talk about snorkeling, are we?
No.
It is a lovely beach. It was a little bit crowded when the tide was up there because there wasn't much beach there.
That you would
Beach there. But when the tide goes out, there's a beautiful sandy beach. It's lovely. And there's lots of activities. You can do parasailing, you go banana boat riding, you go on a little rope. In fact, we've got a video of one of our guests. When I was guiding, don't tell immigration, but when I was guiding, there was a girl went out on a little swing thing. See that? Woo! Woo!
We have a photo of Lucas going on the
Parasail or the zip line?
Zip line.
Zip line's not there anymore. Yeah, we better not talk about the zip line. We don't know why it's not there anymore, but we can't talk about it. I don't think there's zip lines there anymore.
Jay is such a lucky guy because he got to go to
Can I
the
ask you
second
for-
best beach in the world.
Is it the second best beach in the world?
Not in my opinion,
No.
but according to TripAdvisor.
But how do we should have done the research. How do TripAdvisor do it? It's reviews, though, isn't it?
Reviews. If many people go, many people review, it becomes number 2.
Because it's a popular beach. It is popular,
very
but it's a
popular.
great place to go.
So busy.
No, but it's not that busy.
You have to go early to beat the crowd.
Or go later to beat the crowd. The problem is everyone goes there because it is a cool beach and the food at the restaurant there a little bit expensive, but
Haven't
it's very
eaten for
good.
a while.
It's very good.
Did you eat with Fang?
I did eat with Fang. I got her, and look, she didn't eat her onions. I think I deleted that picture, but she didn't eat her onions.
Did you know Fang complained the other day because she said when she goes to the boat with you, she can't have lunch.
I paid for her lunch.
Well, there you go, Fang.
I say I paid. My dad paid.
Remove
But,
remove that HR complaint.
Yeah, don't get me in trouble with HR. Anyway, Coral Island, Banana Beach, second best beach in the world.
Cutting to drones and videos and with Jay's voiceover.
I was just doing it. Banana Beach, one of the best beaches in the world. White sands, beautiful crystal clear waters, activities, facilities, and are they toucans or are they hornbills? Hornbills. And Mischief the dog has just eaten all my notes. Anyway, that's Banana Beach. Second best beach in the world.
If we wanted to know number one, you have to have Mischief to cut it up, to burp it up.
We'll show you that right now. Ah, right. Mischief just run off, but there's our notes. Thanks, Mischief, for eating all our notes. Yes, they're all on the floor, look.
Clean up on the pier.
Good job, dog. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, Mischief.